Hey everybody, this is Megan Elizabeth from AboveRubyStudio.com, and this is a quick recap version of a live replay that I did over at Above Ruby Studio on our Facebook page. You can watch the entire video at facebook.com/followAboveRubies. But today I wanted to do a fun video using Chalk Couture. I have a couple transfers, and this is a wooden sign that we just stained. We finished off with a little bit of chalkboard paint, and then I used this wax paste, a Chalkology wax paste from Chalk Couture, and wax the entire surface and let it dry. Now I'm trimming down my chalk transfer rather. There's tons of different chalk transfers available. They're like a screen print transfer. So it's like a mesh material. It's a little different than like a vinyl or a stencil. It's actually a mesh. And you can cut them down. They come in a wide variety of designs and availability for maximum creativity. All available at SteppingStoneDecor.com. You can see I'm using the bee and the phrase humble and kind. And now I'm grabbing my Chalkology Chalk Paste. I'm using the colors Mocha. I'm also using the color Custard, and then I also decided to grab the color Coral because I kind of went back and forth with what colors I was going to use. But I'm misting a little bit of water into my Mocha right now and just stirring it up to get a nice custard or yogurt-like consistency with my popsicle stick. It's just really easy. You can kind of, anytime there's little chunks or portions that dry out, you can just mist it with a little bit of water, mix it up, and it refreshes the whole thing. It also helps you get a really nice, smooth, even consistency over your transfer, as well as a more consistent color as well. So I'm going to open up my custard color, which is a beautiful off-white color. Again, just a spritz or two of water, stir it up, and I'm going to use a squeegee to apply it right over top of that bee transfer that you see here. So you literally just peel it right off of its backing sheet. You want to make sure you mark your backing sheet with which side is front and back so that you can wash off your transfer and reuse it at a later time. So you can see, just dip the squeegee right on in, you swipe it right across. There's very minimal waste or over excessive product usage. The product life is really about 2 years. Shelf life without drying out, but it goes and goes and goes and goes. I can't even tell you how many signs we've done with this. And just look at that detail and that intricacy that comes from that screen. It really is just such a beautiful clean, crisp image that you get every single time. And then you just throw your transfer right into some warm kind of soapy water. You let it dry, and then you wipe it off with a disinfectant wipe, a Lysol or a Clorox wipe, and then you stick it right back onto its backing sheet after it's fully dry, and it's reusable over and over and over again. Now what I am going to also do is let this bee dry on my wooden board here, on my chalkboard. I want to let it fully dry because I'm actually going to layer my humble and kind phrase right over top of it once it all is fully dry. You can actually use heat to dry it. I actually set it aside because in the live video I did a whole other chalkboard in between because I didn't want to wait for it to dry. But you can use a hair dryer or something like that to dry it as well. So you can see I used some different colors for different things, but now I'm just going to peel off the humble and kind. Once that's fully dry, you can place it right on top, and I'm going to use the coral color for the phrase. So I'm just going to stir it up again, make sure it's that great yogurt or icing-like consistency. Grab that squeegee. I do have larger squeegees as well for bigger phrases or bigger transfers, because you do want to make sure that the chalk does stay wet as you're working with the transfer. Otherwise the chalk will peel up if it dries on top of the transfer. So you just want to work kind of quickly. You can always mist it with a little bit of water or set a moist paper towel on top of it, but with a small transfer like that, it's done just like that, and you created a beautiful home decor piece in just under 10 minutes time. Very quick and simple. I did speed this up for you just so you can actually see what's happening, but even from start to finish, once the board is cut and stained in under 10 minutes time, it is completely done, and these are the finished projects that I did. I hope you'll come check us out more at AboveRubyStudio.com. If you are interested in any of the Chalk Couture products that you see here, the transfers, the chalk, the squeegees, you'll want to come over and visit us at SteppingStoneDecor.com. And for more videos and fun with your crafting Cricut, you can continue to follow at AboveRubyStudio.com. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Give me a little thumbs up or subscribe if you haven't been here before, and I appreciate it. Enjoy the moments. Bye-bye.